So for today's video, we're gonna replace the strut. This is how it looks like. I call this hydraulic, but it's not hydraulic. It says it's
Yes.
it's a gas. So the other side was removed. We got some spare parts here. I'll show you from eBay. So this is from eBay. It's not sponsored by the company or anything.
There's the eBay, yeah.
So this is different. This is the one in the car.
Yeah.
So
So you see how that's
it's built in.
yeah. Well, it's a rod end. You know, that's how they normally come. But that's not even though it's a bit worn. The issue is it hasn't got the gas pressure anymore, and that's what fell down on me the other day and hurt me.
This is the new one. Oops, sorry. Oh my gulay. Yes.
And what was it, a 12 or a 13? I can't do it here because it's done in the... I'll just go out and have a look in there.
Okay, so let's have a look. I'll get some sample. This one. This is one pair. 1, 2, 3. So we can see if this will fit or not. So that's the tuba bag there.
I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, so it's smaller. Looks like a 10.
You need to remove the thing there.
Yeah, wow.
This is probably the one.
Is not to drop anything,
Drop anything?
because if you do, we're in the shit.
Okay.
What I need to do, where's the, was up there. Oh, so, yeah, where's the one? Oh, well, I need the one out of there.
This one?
No. Don't touch the new stuff. I got the old one. Where? Somewhere.
The nut of this is there. See? It's there. You put it back there. So
Okay.
see the other one? It's the
Yeah.
same.
Yeah, is this the left or the right one?
I don't know. I just get a pair. So this is just a trial and error. We put one here and the other one up there.
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
And then there's a spare like this one.
No, well,
We don't know where it goes
it
yet.
could be an option, you know. It's
Yeah. Okay. And this is the strut. So I don't know which is left or right, or it doesn't matter.
Well, if you don't know, how do I know? Oh, that mightn't work, eh? Somehow. Where's that 10?
10 right there.
Oh. Okay. Right now, can you hold that, put that bucket on the ground,
Okay.
and when I lift this up, you take the stick out the,
Okay.
well, when I say take it out,
Okay. It's look easy.
are we talking duck's nuts?
Maybe.
And you're panicking about this.
Yeah.
I've no idea what it's for.
Well,
It's a spare.
it's look like something. So this is the other side of the.
Remember, that there is not the same as the original because there was no original, right? There was no original.
Okay.
There used to be a thing you put up and put a prop under.
Okay. So now let's do the other side.
So these are all aftermarket things, different designs.
Okay. So if you find something like this, so don't worry about that. And yeah.
Okay. So
All right. So I'm holding this one
yeah,
here.
oh no, it's okay. Probably because we've got the new one. See, that's a bloody 13. See, it's all aftermarket stuff. Everybody's designed it different and different size things.
You need to have all sorts of spanner
Yeah,
so you can get in here.
yeah. What I had to do. Remember the other day? Was it the 10? No, that's half. No, it's going to be. It was the 12. Is that a 12? Yeah, okay, it's a 12. Yeah, see, this is 12, and so the nut is 13, which is good, means because you need two
Yeah.
spanners, and if you need two 13s, well, most kits don't come with two identical spanners, you know. So that's not going to be. Now, just hang. Oh, it's okay because. Bloody hell. Oh, shit. What size is that? 12. I wasn't going to hurt myself. Going on there. Right. We need that one again sooner or later. Okay, there was the 13. Okay, so I'll need that again soon. We don't need that
Okay.
anymore. You can put that in the bin. Not in the bin, but
Okay.
right now I need
This one's.
that one with the Dick Beck. What did I say? There was a 12. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Perfect. Do I have a 10? I had to use this one, didn't I? Oh, I didn't check that. Oh. You might have made a mistake on the other side.
Told you.
Well, I didn't hear you.
Okay. So you need to change the whole lot, because if you only change one, the pressure is still dropping. So if you change one, might as well do the rest.
Oh.
Save you time. Okay.
Right.
Duck's nuts. So ding ding.
I just got to check. I'll let you know.
Let's remove this one. Oh my god.
It won't fall down there. What I got to check.
Okay. So that's a final ding ding. So make sure subscribe in this channel. Give me a like and share if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Subscribe.